Before the opening bell, U.S. futures, they remain on the downside after tech stocks encountered yet another sell-off yesterday, courtesy of higher Treasury yields, which raised concerns about equity valuations. Indices closed down on Wednesday, pressured by the combination of automobiles and components, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and software and services sector. This as 57% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Taking a look now at the after-hours action. Apple in the headlines as UK Competition and Markets Authority has launched an investigation into Apple following complaints that its terms and conditions for app developers are unfair and anti-competitive. And then in terms of expectations today on the earnings front, we do have results due out for Costco Wholesale. While on the economic docket today throughout the session, we have the release of total vehicle sales figures. And then before the opening bell, we have the release of the fourth quarter non-farm productivity read and U.S. initial and continuing jobless claims figures. 10 o'clock in the morning, U.S. factory orders. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees its key resistance 38.34. The NASDAQ, meanwhile, intraday sees its key resistance 12,825, and that's in focus. As long as the resistance at 12,825 is not surpassed, the risk of a break below 12,510 remains high. Short positions below 12,825 are favored, with targets at 12,510 and 12,300 in extension. This while the Dow Jones sees its key resistance at 31,360.